For you, emotionally, how was it?
Firstly, I'm very sorry कि मैं late थी. I was shooting. When I read the script only, बहुत visceral reactions आ रहे थे. You know, everything was very emotional. बहुत सारे questions थे कि सच में ऐसा हुआ है. I'm not sure कि if they were arrested or no. पर जब हमने history में पढ़ा था, इतने सारे details कभी नहीं थे. You know, शायद एक death count दी थी. हमें पता भी नहीं कि वो right है कि wrong है. तो हमने briefly पढ़ी थी history में. पर when I read the script and when I heard the script, मुझे बहुत सीखने को मिला इससे. And I think जो सबसे important बात जो मैंने सीखी वो है कि as the younger generation, हम freedom को बहुत lightly लेते हैं. You know, we believe कि हाँ हमारा हक है. As we've grown up, we've been given freedom for everything. But when I read this script and I was a part of this film, मुझे वो weight लगा. You know, जो sacrifices हमारी freedom के लिए जो पहले लोगों ने किया था, I really felt the weight of that, and I really understood that. And I don't think I'm the same person after being a part of this film.
Thank you so much for sharing that. 18th April is when this entire team is going to share this with all of you. फिलहाल के लिए, we'll do a quick picture with the team and then take the questions, right? Okay.
How has your journey been through Kesari? Like, it's completely very different from what you've done earlier. So how has your journey been with Kesari, and how did you know do the role, and what was your perceptions about it?
So it's been a long journey. It's fair to say that.
When did I told you about the film?
In 2021.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's been a long time since we've been making this film, and my journey has been very special. Honestly, when they came to me with this film and Karan spoke to me about this film, I couldn't imagine myself in the film. I was like, okay, how am I going to do this? It's going to be a big challenge. I've done a certain kind of role before, and I was really ready and excited actually to take on that challenge. And honestly, I'm a big learner. I was a very keen student in school, so I was excited to be a part of something that is a part of history that we've, as I said before, we've heard about, but we've not properly understood. So actually, to sum it all up, even though it's been a long journey, and I learned Punjabi for the film, and I got to work with Akshay sir, who I'm a huge fan of. My dad has worked with him so much, and I was finally getting a chance to work with him. To sum it up, I'm actually just very proud to be a part of this film. You know, I watched it personally, and because we've been shooting for so much time, I didn't remember certain things. And then when I saw the film come together, I was like, this is a really strong, impactful film, and I'm just proud to be a part of it. That's the only feeling that I'm left with, and I hope that as Indians, when they watch the film, they also feel that pride.
And a bit of trivia, I have to say that there is one particular scene, and I won't tell you which one, no spoilers here. There's one particular scene that Ananya has shot 4 times.
Yeah.
Not because of her, because the scene kept evolving and changing. And just to show that the instinct of an artist is so strong that what is in the film is the very first time she shot it.
Yeah, the original
So
one.
the second, third and fourth time was a little bit of her time that may have been wasted.
It's all right.
And we apologize. Yours too, you're in the scene.
Hello. Yeah, this is Rajiv here. A character or role he's doing in the film.
Yeah. Oh, to Karan? To Karan.
Any
Karan, you take it.
So Madhavan sir plays the role of the Crown's lawyer. So the Crown engaged the top lawyer of the country to take on Shankaran Nair, and we meet him at a time when he's drinking away his legacy, but the Crown energizes him, and then he proves to be the most capable adversary to Shankaran Nair. So he is canny as a fox, and he's very fierce. He will leave no stone unturned in defeating Shankaran Nair. For that, I urge you to see the film. Because his character deals with that dilemma.
अक्षय सर, आपके लिफ्ट में अमित